Slide transition. Slide transitions are the effects that you apply when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. You can control the speed, add sound, and customize the properties of transition effects. Steps for slide transition. Open the presentation on which you want to apply slide transition. Click on Transitions menu. Choose the transition effect from the list of effects. Choose Applied to All option if you want to give same transition effect to all the slides, else move to next slide. Choose another effect for another slide. We can keep the transition on mouse click also, or choose the duration for each slide. The transition effect will be applicable. Inserting audios and videos. We can also insert the sounds and videos in the presentation. Steps to insert sound in the presentation. Click on the Insert menu. Click on Audios and Videos. We can add audios and videos through the clip organizer or through the file. Choose the audio or video that you want to insert in the presentation. The sound or video will be inserted in the presentation.